Hello guys, today we're playing Castle Defender. I have already played this game before, so I already know how to play this. Please. No, I'm laggy. I've like already played it. Oh, I'm lagging.
Tia, tiga mo.
I'm
Tia,
oh,
tiga mo. Ito yan. Ayan. Ito. Hindi teacher mo nga hamot ng puwet.
like I'm actually lagging. Right. Please. I'm lagging. You know what? Delete everything. Got a lot of stuff to play. Let's go to the market. Upgrade. I can upgrade it. Defense. Then let's buy more. Whoa. Okay. I'm buying a lot. And a lot. Whoa. Whoa. Let me. Base. Oh, wait. This is going to be the last line of defense. Our first defense is going to be this. Wait.
Marty. Huh?
lost. First wave of defense going to start from here. And I'm lagging again. Wow. Come on. Oh, cats can't even play like that.
Wala ba tayo mag-go?
One naglalag. One L-Gale and then widen the wall. Yan, hintay mo lang naglalag eh. Okay.
Ano? Kala ko. Kaya ko yan eh.
I'm going to play.
Sabi ko wala mamahingi. Ha? Ha? Ano? Hindi ko yan eh. Wala na lang si mama.
Just go ahead and then
Tulong!
third line.
Kuya! Tulong!
Third line of defense. Not this place. Going to play.
Ay, ano yun? Agawan nila chocolate hati niya. Marapon yun.
For
Gino.
the banner.
Ate, ramen na pera ko. Bili ako bata kotse. Ate, kano baba? 10-10.
banner would be
Kaya,
relegate.
ate, sabi ate niya, itama, hingi tayo ng pera.
Wow.
100 ay 2,000 or 15,000.
Place.
Yaki! Ate, kuha ko lang to na ba? Pulot ko lang to ha. Hindi ako bigay ko yan eh.
And lagi. One, two, three.
Ay nakuha ito. Tulog ka. 3, 2, 1, go. Wala na.
Three.
Tulog ka na.
Will be where the first
3,
ever
2, 1, go. Wala ka na. 3, 2, 1, go.
The first cannons would
3,
be
2, 1, go.
is
Ate,
the
may
level
nako
one.
magic.
Put two archers here. One archer here. And and then that's it. And then this is going to be the last one.
No. 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 Plaster. No.
And I'm lagging.
Ano ba gawin nyo?
Going to be where I'm going to go ahead and Ready?
Pwede ko pang gawin.
Tiyanggal ka man sa akin eh, kaya hindi pa man hindi man to mag-inat kasi tiyanggal ko man sa akin. Going to be where last defense going to be. I think we need to go ahead and protect the again, the flag. How many walls do we still have to protect? Two more? Two more? And we need to go ahead and make another. Wow.
Gutom naman ako. Magawin ka na item din.
Not good. base is almost done, but we still have 5. I'm going to make like
Pwede ko
one
tampal
here,
hapon niyo?
one here.
Kuya! Ba't niyo hugot tapon, Mama? Kuya! Kuya!
What?
Ba't niyo hugot tapon,
One
Mama?
here.
Oh!
How many banners do we still have?
Ma! Hindi balik, Kuya, oh! Ma! Oh!
Oo na nga. Wait
Ma,
mo.
oh!
Sumbongero ka naman. Hmm. It's going to be where all of our troops will be. The last one will have a love stage. Because that is going to be the last part. We will survive. Let us make a tower in the flagpole. And let's lay out the place. For defense, I think. Okay, now we only have. Oh wait, still have a lot. Let us use them. It's actually the best base I ever built. No, let's just scatter it. Don't know why, but maybe for defense. And this is where it's going to be all going. Then Archer. Going to be all of our defenses together. Also, we can actually upgrade them. Oh, nice. Oh, wait, I can just click base. So, this is going to be the start of our goal. Oh, wait, they have. Oh, they have a lot. We can upgrade the archer. Moment. Just upgrade everything. Okay, now let's start and see wait, sorry. We select. Yeah, wave 26 can actually have 5 stages, but if you count them, it's 4 because of the last one. It have can have 4. 2 stage in the last one, 2 stage in the last. No, and I'm lagging so badly. Attack. No, I know they can and then get to. We will only end the video if we die from the wave. Then we're actually doing good. There's nothing that can stop us. Wait, what if I get help? Can they actually shoot it? Oh, my help. Oh, no, 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 hey! No, they got Bob. They got the other dude. Yo, oh. Our first line of defense is actually taking damage. No, 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 no. What if I didn't help? Yeah, can I finish it? Oh no, they are reaching the first. No, they don't win as well. Wait, actually, wait. Go, wait a second. Um, I think he can actually survive this. Dang, that's a lot. Oh, you can do this. You can do this. Oh, what the hell is this? The boss. Wait, they're reaching the first and the. Oh, wait, they can't reach the third one. No, 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 he's reaching the third. Go. How many are there? 200? There are like 200 plus.
Huh? Let's go, really?
Dang, they can't kinda reach the upper one. Dang, they made a hole in the third one. I think they're actually getting past. Wait, Bob, Bob's brother survived. Bobby survived. Bob's brother. Bro, He actually survived. Bobby actually survived, guys. There's too many of them. They reached the last one. We have been briefed. We're getting rich. We're getting rich. We're getting rich. Can they actually survive? Can they actually? Oh no! 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 They reached the wave. They're breaking. We need wave 60 to end this wave. He's coming. What? Yeah, I will help them. They're out. We are outreach. No, our hard work is gone. No. This is going to be the end of the video, guys. Thank you for watching. Make sure to don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye, guys.